There's plenty of hardware OEMs out there looking for a manufacturing home that aren't exactly sure what they're looking for. When it comes to high-end manufacturing, the stakes can be very high. So today, let's look at some important features to look for in a machinery manufacturer. High-end manufacturing is usually stacked with unsung heroes in the workforce. You should notice long tenures and highly skilled manufacturing personnel. This will be obvious in their demeanor and general sense of pride in their work. Look for evidence of continuous improvements, whether it's at the program level or the global level of the entire organization. Continuous improvement programs ensure the company is working to be its best. Depending on your hardware type, in-house capabilities will help eliminate delays and cost overruns. By having in-house capabilities, a high-end machinery manufacturing company takes control of more processes and leaves less opportunities for risk by outsourced vendors. You want to see both manufacturing and engineering teams at the facility. Mechanical and electrical engineers, accompanied by manufacturing and assembly personnel, will be a great resource for your program. Certifications are great, but a first-hand quality audit is a must. Beyond certifications, high-end manufacturers are doing what they say in the form of routers, process control sheets, and other objective quality techniques. Successful manufacturing is grounded in commitment from the suits to the boots. Talk to the executive teams to understand their technical know-how and philosophies toward customer relationships. For more information on what to look for at a machinery contract manufacturer, follow the link to download our resource guide.